Hello friends, I am Achal and welcome to my YouTube channel instituterank.com. So friends, today I am going to tell you about the topic is NCERT is enough for the preparation of preliminary examination. Among the range of questions that aspirant has to face, one of the most important question that aspirant has to face is it enough to cover NCERT book for preparation of preliminary examination? During the preparation of civil service examination, it is important to read important book for the respective subjects. Aspirants should look to prepare for prelims examination by covering NCERT books as their first priority. Starting civil service examination is one of the most important yet toughest part of the civil service examination. Aspirant should look to complete NCERT books as the first priorities. Later on they can read other books to develop knowledge based on the subject matter. Clearing civil service examination is a tricky one and is considered as delicate blend of all subjects questions. NCERT book act as a foundation base. Aspirants should not look covering NCERT book as last thing. Example, for certain subjects like geography, science and technology and world history and Indian history, NCERT books are the best. For other subjects, students can read different books in the market. Like for Indian economy, aspirant can read book of Ramesh Singh, or for polity aspirant should read book of Lakshmikant. No person can say that he or she did not study the relevant book for an IAS exam during IAS preparation. Some important subjects are Indian geography. Old NCERT books are most preferred for the preparation of Indian geography. For physical geography, GOH Chang Leong's certificate physical and human geography is more relevant. Number second, Indian polity. Books are most recommended for the preparation of Indian polity are Indian Polity by Lakshmikant, An Introduction to the Constitution of India by D.D. Basu, and The Constitution of India by P.M. Bakshi. Number third is economy. For the basic concept and terminologies of economies, NCERT books are enough for IAS preparation. It is essential to reach the Macroeconomics Class 12 textbook by NCERT. For further study on Indian economy, most recommended books are Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh, Indian Economy by Mishra and Puri are precise material of economy survey. Number fourth is science and technology. For this section, IAS aspirant must stick to the daily newspaper because the question asked under science and the technology section of the IAS prelims exams are generally based on current events. The NCERT books of class 9th and 10th are also recommendable for IAS prelims preparation but not necessary. And ecology. For the preparation of the environment and ecology section, the IAS aspirant must go through the study material provided by NIOS. Apart from that, aspirants should keep a close watch on the development projects of the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India and the United Nations (UNFCCC). Being the most basic books and written in very simple language, lucid and neutral perspective makes NCERTs as the base for the entire preparation. One will get most of their basic convert for the geography and history from these books. Secondly, mains answer writing language should be similar to the writing style of these books, which make them as the fundamental element while preparing for the mains examination. Now the question is how to read NCERTs. This is the part where you has ample of resources and multiple ways. You may choose whatever suits you the best as your per capability and the planning. For example, one may start with the section such as history and will read all history NCERTs. Other may move from class 6 NCERT to 7th NCERTs to 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and finally 12th standard. However, the most optimal way of doing NCERT is underline in the first reading, read and optimize in the underlined stuff in the second reading. Make crisp notes of NCERT is the final reading and from onward forget those books and just rely on your notes. Revise them monthly and after 4-5 iteration, you will reach the level that you may require around 4-5 hours only to revise NCERT books from class 6 to class 12th. Hope you like this video. Do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.